Here we discuss how to upload DBT Cloud logs to Google Cloud Storage. Let's dive in. So we're jumping straight into the Shipyard Fleet Builder here in this video. So first we want to start and look for our DBT Cloud blueprints. You can see that we have a blueprint called Download Logs and Artifacts. That's the one we want to start with here. So I'm going to click that. It's going to pop up an authorization guide that can help you if it's your first time using DBT Cloud inside of Shipyard. I'd click on that and go through the steps to get you set up ready to go for the integration. And there's also information about where the logs and artifacts are going to be stored after using this blueprint. I'll hit on that in just a moment as well. So I'm going to close that. So you can see the vessel was created for us. I can name this Download DBT Cloud Logs. And for this, we need our service token. We need our account ID. And we also need our run ID. So generally in a DBT Cloud workflow, you would do an execute job and then download the logs and artifacts to download the logs and artifacts from that specific run. If you set it up that way, you can leave run ID blank and it will just grab it from the run before. Since we're not going to do the execute job, I'm just going to come and grab this run ID from this old run that we have here. I'm going to throw that in there. And so now our DBT Cloud vessel is set up. Before we move on, though, I want to note that you can set up email notifications for your vessels. You can set up for any error or for a completion of an on-demand run. It'll send you an email if either of those things happen, as well as guardrails for the number of retries, the time between retries, and the runtime cutoff as well. So that's our DBT Cloud vessel. It's good to go. So now I can come back and look for my Google Cloud Storage vessels, and you can see we have an upload files. That's the one we want. We'll click that. It'll add the vessel for us. So I'm going to upload DBT Cloud log to GCS. And so coming down here to our inputs, our local folder name. So again, going back to that that authorization guide, it had our folder names for each for our logs and artifacts. So the log folder that it mentioned is Shipyard Artifacts, DBT Cloud Blueprints, and Logs. The file name, we're just going to grab one of the logs here. So DBT console output. So that's the output log from the console. I'm going to put my Google Cloud Storage bucket name, my folder name. I'm going to name this one DBT Cloud Logs. I'm going to leave GCS file name blank because that's just going to keep the file name that DBT Cloud gave it. And the last thing we need is our service account. So I'm going to paste that in there as well. And so now our Google Cloud Storage vessel is set up as well. So I'm going to drag it up there and then connect them. And so before we move on, I like to look at my fleets to make sure it's doing what I want it to do. So reading back through this first vessel is going to download the logs from DBT Cloud. If that download is successful, then I'm going to upload that log to Google Cloud Storage. So it looks like it's set up like we want it to be. So I'm going to go back over to this cog, and I'm going to name this fleet. So I'm going to name it DBT Cloud to Google Cloud Storage and logs this time. Okay, so now I can click save and finish. This is going to take us to a page telling us that the fleet has been created successfully, as you see here. Then I can click run your fleet. So when I click run your fleet, it's going to schedule the fleet to run immediately. Inside of Shipyard in our documentation, this is what's called an on-demand run. So anytime that you're working with a fleet and want to kick off an on-demand run, you can do that by clicking the purple Run Now button on the top right-hand corner of your screen. There's also two other ways that you can kick off fleet runs inside of Shipyard using our triggers tab here. You can use a scheduling trigger that you can schedule based on time, and then we also have an API trigger where you can programmatically kick off fleet runs as well. So you can see anytime that you start an on-demand run inside of Shipyard, you can see that it's going to take us over to the fleet log page here, where you can have a live output of what's happening inside of your fleet run. So you can see we have that in a Gantt chart and in a table view below that. Both have the same information. It just depends whichever one you would like to look at. The Gantt chart here, so whenever that bar is green, it's obviously complete. That yellowish orange color means it's in progress. If it turns red, that means that vessel has failed out. So you can see that our first vessel has completed successfully here. I can click inside of that Gantt chart. It's going to show us the vessel output for that specific run. You can see that the inputs that we put in here, so the API key is a secret, so it's hidden, so that anyone looking at your logs can't just get that API key, as well as the account ID and run ID here. And then you can see all of the files that were downloaded from DBT Cloud. So it downloaded 24 files. So that's the 24 logs and artifacts that DBT Cloud sends over after our run. If I go back over to my fleet log page, you can see that the second vessel went ahead and kicked off just like we wanted it to after that first vessel was successful. So now I can open up Google Cloud Storage, refresh my page here. I should have a folder now. It's DBT Cloud Logs. You can click that, and you can see there's that dbt_console_output.txt file that we wanted from DBT Cloud from our log, from our downloaded logs. In this video, we talked about how you can download logs from a DBT Cloud Run and then upload those logs into Google Cloud Storage. If you have any questions about this solution or how you can use Shipyard in your organization, use the link in the description to set up a time to chat with our team of data experts. If you want to see more tutorials like this one, check out these related videos.